Hello，大家好，这里是小邵，欢迎我的频道。I hope you guys are doing great. So, in my previous video, I told you the basic phrases we use for introduction in Chinese. So, in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to count in Chinese and from 1 to 100 and some big numbers too. Once you have learned the counting in Chinese and some big numbers, you can tell the time, phone number, your age, date, month and year and so on. And by the way, before we will start this lesson, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. 别忘了订阅我的频道 comment 评说 like 免费 and share my videos 和分享我的视频 and one more thing, you can follow me on my Instagram. So shall we start? Okay, 我们开始吧 Okay guys, now let's start from 1 to 10. Líng means 0. Líng. E means 1. E. R means 2. R. Well, there's another word we should call it Líng. Líng is used for any person or other things. Like, for example, 2 people, so we call it 2个人, not 2个人. Líng means 2. San means 3. San. 4 means 4. 5 means 5. 6 means 6. 7 means 7. 7 Now 8 means 8. 9 means 9. 10 means 10. Okay guys, now let's start from 11 to 20. Oh, before we move forward, you also need to learn one important thing, very important. From 1 to 100, from 1 to 10 with hand gestures. So let's start. E means 1. R means 2. San means 3. 4 means 4. 5 means 5. 6 means 6. 7 means 7. 8 means 8. 9 means 9. 10 means 10. So, I also want to share with you guys, do you know the lucky and unlucky number in Chinese culture? No? Okay, I'll tell you. 8. Pa is the luckiest number in Chinese culture. It is similar to Fa. Fa means to be rich or make a lot of money. The opposite of lucky is unlucky. 4 means 4. 4 is the unluckiest number in Chinese culture. It is similar to 4. 4 means death. Okay guys, now let's move on, shall we? 我们开始吧 E means 11. 10 means 10. E means 1. 10 plus 1 equals to 11. that means xiexie, xier, xieshan, xiesi means 14, xiwu means 15, xiliu means 16, xiqi means 17, Shi means 18, Shi means 19, Shi means 20. Now let's move on again. Shi means 30, Shi means 40, Shi means 50, Shi means 60, Shi means 70, Shi means 80, Shi means 90, and last is Yi means 100, Bai means 100, E means 1, that means 100. Okay, now let's move on. Líng means 101. That means Líng means 101. Shi means 110. 1 by 100. 1 shi 10. Shi means 10. Shi means 110. R by means 200, not Líng by. R by Líng means 201. Qian means 1,000. 1,000. means 1. Qian means 1,000. 1,000. 1001 means 1,001. 1,001. 1001. Now last, Yiwan means 10,000. Well, yeah, okay, that's all. So I hope you guys understand it well, and you will find the Urdu translation on my Instagram account, and you can drop me a comment below if you want. So in my next video, I will teach you about how to ask someone a phone number and email address. So I'm Saad Khan, and my Chinese name is Xiaosa. Subscribe to my channel. So 我们下期再见吧，再见，拜拜。